What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to use the advanced search feature on Twitter. So here I have the Twitter homepage opened on my computer, that's twitter.com, and I'm signed in with my Twitter account. So if I go to the search bar here at the top right corner and I search for, let's say, sports or any topic that you want to search for, then hit enter. Now you'll see here sports, that is written in the search bar here, and you'll see three dots next to it. If I tap on these three dots, you'll see here an advanced search option. If I click on it, it'll allow me to further refine my search. So like include more words or a phrase, or exclude words, and add hashtags, languages, accounts to search for, filters, such an engagement, minimum or maximum likes, and dates, and so on. It gives me many options where I can refine my search and then click on search to further filter or refine my search.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.